Salat is used as a means of seeking solace, forgiveness, and peace through invoking Allah's assistance. It serves as food for the soul. However, the benefits of Salat do not end with the spiritual domain, but in fact, encompass the physical domain as well. Customary Salat involves various physical movements and positions, which have been scientifically proven to have medical and health benefits. Even though Muslims generally offer their daily prayers out of their religious duty. However, modern-day science has shed light on the physical advantages of offering Salah. Here are a few of them. The different positions during the Salah help in improving the overall blood flow in the body. People have a lot of issues when it comes to blood pressure, where their blood flow is either too high or too low to a certain region in the body. In these cases, the Salah movements help in regulating the blood flow to all parts of the human body. During the Ruku' position, blood flow is regulated in the upper body, and during Tashahhud, the blood flow in the lower body is regulated. According to scientific studies, the Salah also helps in digestion of the body. For example, during the Qud state, which is basically when we are sitting down with one foot curled underneath them. The posture is such that it enables and facilitates digestion. It improves liver functions and relaxes the intestines, which in turn facilitates bowel movement in the body. Salah can also help alleviate cases of constipation and overeating. The position of the body during prostration and bowing helps open up and ease the joints. Regular use of the joints keeps them healthy and functioning. Moreover, the position of the Ruku' helps in alleviating pain in the lower back by relaxing the ligaments and the muscles. It also helps ease the pain in the spinal cord and the hip joints. Through the vertebral relaxation, backache and vertebral illnesses can also be avoided. The Salah overall relaxes the shoulder joints, elbows, knees, ankles, and the hip. In essence, Salah is also a form of exercise, and it increases a person's metabolism, which basically improves a person's cardiovascular health. Every Salah is similar to exercising on a daily basis, which improves the overall functioning of the organs in the body, and regulates the secretion of glands and blood flow in the body. According to modern science, one of the healthiest forms of exercise is yoga, and it has been found the movements during Salah resemble the movements found in the domain of yoga. Yoga, like Salah, rejuvenates the overall bodily mechanisms. Yoga therapy aims to bring harmony in a person's life, including physical, social, spiritual, and psychological, and creating a full circle of harmony. This is precisely what the Salah aims to do, bring about utter and complete harmony and peace within an individual. Salah also serves as a substitute for stress and anxiety, which yoga also combats. One of the most obvious benefits of the daily Salah is the overall cleanliness, and it keeps us in a constant state of purity. Before every Salah, a Muslim must perform ablution, which is cleansing of the mouth, nose, face, ears, neck, hands, arms, and feet. Staying in a constant state of cleanliness leads to healthier skin, and an overall healthy hygiene. It rids one of germs, allergens, various forms of infections, and diseases. Prayer, or Salat, was made obligatory for all Muslims, whether they be rich or poor, strong or weak, black or white, male or female. Prayer allows the believer to enrich their spirituality, and cultivate the soul's right to love and worship the Creator. The importance of prayer is conveyed constantly in the Quran, and was also stressed by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.